Alright, so this is what you can use to make any tin into a white lid. So I just used some printer paper, covered it up, and then outside I sprayed it, and then just set it down outside to dry. It's probably best to do that before you start using it. So if you find a little tin that would make a nice little watercolor paint holder, palette, whatever you call it, yes, you can use this and to make it into the white that you need it. So this is one of those smaller plastic palettes that hold 20 wells in them. They fold up. AliExpress had them for like $1.50 each and $2, but I think it was $1.50. And some of them people were writing back that it was almost white, but not really white, just slightly off-white. So I bought one. It was like a slightly off-white, maybe an eggshell, just slightly. So I just took this and no problem, perfectly white now. It doesn't matter, as long as you have this, you can make anything you want into a white mixing area if it's the right type of surface.